Good morning vlog, welcome back to a brand new video. How's everybody doing though? Let me know in the comment section down below. A lot of my homies recently have been getting married. Like I have 4 or 5 weddings to go to within the next year, honestly. Life has just been going by so fast, and I don't know if you guys feel the same way, but man, it's honestly crazy. One of my best friends is getting married in 2 days, and part of me just feels like I'm living in a simulation. Like, is everything real, bro? Is this all happening? Do y'all feel this way? We're heading over to the Cars and Coffee meet, or I think maybe it's called Cars and Croissants, but we're heading there right now. It's at Alexander Steakhouse, and if you're in the Bay Area and you know about steak, you know that's expensive, bro. That's fancy. Omar's taking the lamb choppy. I'm pretty sure it's one of those fancy events where it's gonna be all crazy cars. I don't really know exotics like that, but I think it'll still be fun to just walk around, chill, you know, Sunday vibes. Tap in with you guys when we get there. We just did a quick wipe down on the car and it's looking amazing. Yo, we playing GTA in real life, dog. Do y'all see that? It's already lit. The Porsche Caravan has arrived. Jeez. This is crazy, y'all. This is crazy. We're almost there. That GT3 is so badass. One day, y'all. One day. We gotta manifest it somehow. I spot Raph Cat. Look, Raph behind the scenes right now. All right, y'all, we just pulled up to the meet. We have some beautiful cars already. I'm kind of getting into Porsches. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know too much about them. There's certain ones that I really like. GT3, GT3 RS. It looks like there's gonna be a lot of Porsches out here, so I'm excited. This one is hella clean. That purple be hitting, bro. Oh my god, the man, the myth, the legend. Wow, you're vlogging, I'm vlogging. What's good, dog?
What's up, bro?
What's your channel? What's your channel, bro?
How are you? Young DS14 gang, you know it.
And the podcast channel?
Bay's homie coming soon. Alex
sir.
and Omar.
We're gonna join.
Yes.
We're gonna do a podcast.
Everything.
Sit in it, bro.
Hey, sit in it. Welcome back to Alex's vlog. Today we're sitting in Omar's brand new Lamborghini Evo.
Yes. Spaceship.
I like it.
Damn.
Welcome back, guys. Right here, we're at the car meet, Cupertino, Alexander Walter Steakhouse.
You got 2 CEOs looking at your car right now. How do you feel?
Shit, I'm the 3rd CEO. I think so. We got this lamb choppy out. Now I'm gonna go see if I can work for them.
It's like a little lion, bro. So fire.
Pretty sick. I would do the same thing.
Damn. We got some super action over here. We're at the top of this parking garage. I feel like up here is a little bit more JDM flair. This is what I'm used to. You got VIP builds up here. It's a little bit more empty because we waited a little bit too long to come up here, but there's still some very solid builds. They're twinning.
Oh, really?
Planned or no?
Nope, I'm planned.
You guys are lying. We're checking out Melvin's Supra right now. I'm not gonna get him on camera because he a low-key kind of guy.
Yeah, so it's 6266.
So clean.
Precision turbo. It runs on ESC-S1's camshaft. We run flex fuel, E8591.
We're at Alexander Steakhouse right now. They just gave us this. I don't know what it is, but it's warm. Looks good. We starving? Let's give it a shot. All right, cheers.
Cheers, man.
Ooh. It's like a Like a miso soup a little bit. All right, guys, I just got home and now I gotta pack all of these orders. I already started and I was like, yo, I need to update the vlog. So we had a good day. I'm pretty tired, I'm not gonna lie. I've been waking up very early. It seems like these days just keep going quicker and quicker and quicker. I try to stay very busy. It's Sunday. I'm about to be packing for the rest of the night and I'm gonna start making more stuff for the Whatnot streams. So this is what I got going on right now. We got all those orders packed up. Still got more to pack up right here. Some orders in the bag, some orders by the door. It's freaking crazy over here, but I'm blessed. So thank you guys. I'll see you very soon for the next video. Leave a comment down below if you guys want more car content. And if you guys didn't know, 50% off right now on my website for all the custom goods. And if you guys sign up for my Whatnot with the link down below, you get $15 off to use on any stream you guys want. What's going on, y'all? We at the wedding right now. What's good, what's good, what's good?
What's up, y'all?
Message for Josh and his bride.
Hey, congrats to my dog and his lovely bride. Love you, bro.
What up, chat? What up, chat?
What it do, chat? Josh, if you're seeing this, I know why you were late earlier.
Say what's up to the vlog. All right, we about to walk in. Congrats, Josh and Morel.
Mahal-kita, Bobo.
Mahal-kita.
Go back.
Look at this. Look at this. Oh, shit.
I do.
Yeah, look at this. Oh
my God.